Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photos section and then go to the watermark. So you can enable timestamp and also device watermark. So now let's just take some photo to see an example how it will look like. So here you have device watermark and here is our timestamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.